Question 8 is about parallel lines and transversals. Here we have to find which is the transversal and what properties do the angle relate to each other by. Now let's look at C, D, and A line. Okay, these are just two lines, CD, and you can see that line A is cutting both of them, isn't it? That line which cuts both the line C and D is called a transversal. Now there is special properties formed between these pair of angles and these angles. Now what are the angles? Look, they are pretty simple. You should just know few things. What is alternate? Alternate. What exactly does it mean? It means like changing or something like that, right? Like if it's one is over here, one more is over here, one over here, one over here, not on the same line. If it's same, it'll be corresponding. So alternate is this 4 is alternating with 6, you can say, because you need to cross it out. This 3 over here is alternating with 5. Now you can see this line C and D, they both are inside 4, 3, 5, 6. So these are called interior. Interior is inside. Whereas exterior, external. Exterior is what? Outside. This is also exterior. So 1, 2, 8 and 7 are exterior, and 1 and 7 over here are exterior alternating angles, you can say, because they are also alternating, right? 2 and 8 again alternating, but exterior alternating angles. If there is something inside, interior, outside over here, exterior. That's the concept. What about corresponding? See, this 1 is top left, even 5 is top left. They're corresponding towards each other. 4 is down left, even 8 is down left in this way. So these both are corresponding. 4 and 8, 7 will be corresponding with 3, and lastly 2 with 6 over here. So they are corresponding to each other. And the transversal is A. So now let us look into the question 4 and 5. Where is 4 over here and 5? Which is the transversal? Transversal is the cutting line is A. And what sort of a relation they have? Okay, now this is again, I didn't tell this. Inside, they're interior, something to do with interior. Now, are they alternating? No. They're corresponding. Can you see? Sorry, consecutive. Corresponding is 4 and 8. They're continuous, so they're consecutive. Consecutive means continuous. So now this will be consecutive after 1, 2, 3, consecutive numbers or consecutive integers after 1. So after 4 is 5, right? So that will be, the answer is, so first transversal is line A and they are consecutive interior angles. That's it. Now 1 and 8 would be consecutive exterior angles. What about 5 and 15? 5 is over here, 15 is over here. They are exterior angles. Now which are the two lines to consider, A and B? So from here, 5 and 15. The transversal is line D. This is the transversal cutting them both. 5 and D are exterior alternating angles. See, line D is transversal, alternating exterior or exterior alternating. What about 12 and 14? 12 is over here, 14 interior alternating angles, and the transversal is B. Simple. What about 7 and 15? Let's look at 7. 15 is over here, 7 is over here. They're corresponding, down right, down right. Transversal is D. D is the line cutting both A and B. So D and corresponding. And over here we have 2 and 12. 2 and 12 are alternate interior, and the transversal is C. So that's the answer. 3 and 6. 3 and 6 is interior consecutive because they're continuous. 3 and 6 are continuous. And which is the transversal? Line A is cutting them both. What about 1 and 9? 1 is over here, 9 is over here. They're corresponding, and the line which cuts is C. Corresponding, and transversal is C. That's the thing. And what about 3 and 9? 3 and 9 is alternate interior because they're inside A and B, right? The transversal is line C again. What about 10 and 16? 10 is over here. 10 and 16. They're outside, exterior. See, C and D lines, exterior angles. Transversal is line B, exterior alternating. And 5 and 13 is, where is 5? This is 5, 13 is over here. They're corresponding, and the transversal is line D, corresponding. And what type of angles are 3 and 10. It's a different figure, but the concept is same. 3 and 10, they are alternate over here and over here, right? Exterior and alternating, because the lines, these are exterior. So you can see it's alternating exterior. And what is the transversal over here? The line which cutting both, L. That's the answer. Alternate exterior, transversal line L. 11 and 13, what about this one? 11 is over here and 13 is over here. They're consecutive to each other, right? They're consecutive but interior because they're inside. The transversal is line P. Transversal is P, but these are consecutive interior. Interior angles lie on the same side. But they have not asked, what is the type of angle. They have just asked what's the transversal. Transversal is line P. The line which cuts both the lines where the angle touches. L and Q line is cut by line P. That's the end of this question. Another simple and easy one. Just remember the rules of all alternating interior, exterior, consecutive interior, exterior, and corresponding angles. And remember, transversal is the line which cuts the two lines. This is the transversal. So focus on the angles, see what type of relationship and what is the transversal.